EagleRidge, West Point's trusted roofing contractor. EagleRidge is West Point, Utah's leading roofing contractor, offering comprehensive services for both residential and commercial properties in the 84015 area and surrounding zip codes. With years of experience, EagleRidge specializes in asphalt shingles and metal roofing, ensuring top-quality workmanship for every project. Their team is dedicated to providing durable and long-lasting roofing solutions that offer excellent value for their clients' investment. Whether you need a new roof installation, roof repairs, or maintenance, EagleRidge provides detailed inspections and thorough assessments to ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. Their certified professionals are committed to staying ahead of industry trends, providing expert advice, and offering competitive pricing. EagleRidge's focus on customer satisfaction is evident through their responsive service, regular team training, extensive warranties, and follow-up inspections. For homeowners and businesses in West Point, Utah, EagleRidge ensures that every roofing solution is tailored to meet individual needs, guaranteeing the durability of your property while handling the region's unique weather challenges. Their focus on energy efficiency and weather-resistant materials ensures that your roof not only performs well, but also lasts for many years to come. EagleRidge has built a reputation for providing excellent customer service, exceptional roofing solutions, and a dedication to quality that has earned the trust of many residents in West Point and nearby areas. Whether you're in need of roof repairs, a full replacement, or routine maintenance, EagleRidge is ready to help. Call us at 801-784-1457 and visit our website eagleridgepros.com for more details.